Two productivity giants go head-to-head, Evernote versus ClickUp. Which one really delivers? On the left, Evernote, effortless note capture and personal organization. On the right, ClickUp, all-in-one work management for teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, here's our mind map, just so you know what's coming. We're going to look at pricing, core focus, features, collaboration, user interface, integrations, and user ratings. You'll see where each of these apps really shine, or, fumble a little. All right, first up, pricing. So Evernote does give you a free plan, which is fine for basic users. Their upgrades are simple, but honestly, it gets kinda costly. Premium versions start at almost $15 a month, and for teams, you'll be reaching deeper into those pockets. ClickUp, on the other hand, okay, this actually surprised me. They've got a totally unlimited free plan, which is wild. The paid tiers, especially for individuals and small teams, are way cheaper and jam-packed with features. If you start scaling to larger teams, it could add up, but come on, ClickUp is just a better deal. The winner here? Pretty clear. ClickUp all the way. Next, core focus. So, Evernote? This is your best friend if you're just trying to jot down notes, save articles, maybe organize your thoughts. Students, writers, solo professionals, you'll vibe with this. On the flip side, ClickUp, it's built for teams, for workflows, for replacing a bunch of different apps at once. Tasks, docs, goals, all of that. But honestly, sometimes it goes a bit overboard if you just want a simple note. I'd say if you want pure notes and simplicity, Evernote. If you're managing projects and collaborating all day, ClickUp. Call it a tie. Depends which camp you're in. Let's talk features. Evernote is solid. Fast search, some decent AI magic, simple tagging, web clippers, and really smooth sync. You can set little tasks too, but don't expect fancy project views or automation. ClickUp though? Whole different ballgame. Tasks, subtasks, comments, priorities, even time tracking. It's got built-in docs and dashboards, and automations galore. But here's the catch. It can be a bit much at first, especially if you're not a power user. All right, ClickUp is just more stacked. It wins features. Oh, and here's something cool you may not know. Evernote's web clipper lets you snag articles, PDFs, and even screenshots straight into your notes. Makes research or saving random inspiration a breeze. Now, collaboration. Evernote, you can share notes, sure, and the paid plans add some basic team stuff, but let's be real, it's not actually built for real-time teamwork. Pretty limiting for role management and group work. ClickUp is straight up designed for collaboration. You get shared docs, dashboards, @mentions, personal views, all the things that keep a team in sync. Evernote just can't match that. So yeah, ClickUp is king for working with others. On to user interface. This is where Evernote pulls ahead. It's seriously minimal and clean. You open it, make notes, barely think about it. Super easy for beginners, or if you just want to get stuff down quick. Not a lot of customization, but hey, sometimes you just want less clutter, right? ClickUp, meanwhile, is customizable to the max. Tons of views, lists, boards, calendars, but that also means it can get messy, and you might spend too long figuring out where everything is. So Evernote wins on clean UI. Integrations. All right, this is a biggie for some. Evernote plays nice with Google Calendar, Outlook, a couple of productivity apps, but honestly, it's pretty limited. ClickUp? This is wild. Over 1,000 apps via Zapier, plus direct integrations with Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, GitHub, you name it. Seriously, if you live in a cross-app universe, ClickUp has your back. It's the clear champ here. Last, user ratings. Here's the tea. Folks absolutely love Evernote for note-taking. It's got a loyal fan base and racks up near-perfect scores. ClickUp is strong too, especially for project management folks. But there are quirks, particularly around templates and updates. Overall, though, Evernote grabs the top spot for user ratings. Let's map that all out visually. See how Evernote and ClickUp stack up in each category side by side. You'll spot some major swings here, especially around collaboration, features, and integrations. So, big picture, if you need seamless, speedy note-taking and just want your life organized, Evernote's the move. If you're a team managing lots of projects or want one tool to rule them all, ClickUp is honestly unbeatable. Personally, I'd go Evernote for solo work, but ClickUp for anything teamy or more complex. If you found this comparison helpful, honestly, just try both for yourself. See which one actually clicks with your workflow. Sometimes you don't know until you see your own stuff